How time flies. With wartime and petrol rationing again, here's a car that doesn't need gas at all. It runs on juice.
So here we have a modern ezgo, and then a 1957 Turf Rider. Mirrors, the seats are in, put the wheel covers on. 70 years basically difference between the two of them. First we have size. Things back then were made a lot smaller. I'm 6'2", so just underneath me, maybe 5.5 feet-ish tall. This one over my head. Suspension. This is a whole doodad and a half. Yeah, the suspension over here is leaf springs. Over here, we have air coil. 4 seats. And this one's meant to hold golf things, but you can kind of stand back here. If you needed a third person, you can put them back here.
I feel like it's a leave your shoes at the door type beat.
Mine forward.
Forward is forward, backward is backwards.
Forward is forward. Backward is backwards.
Well, you're the brakes on.
What brake?
Push the brake all the way in. There you go.
Oh.
Haha.
You just skirted out. This thing's actually such a cruiser though. Yeah. We're going. And you see here, this thing is so sick.
Like right next to this guy, so we can get like a size comparison. Nice, we got the front aligned.
It's basically the same.
Oh, it's a lot closer than I thought.
Putting the
70 years, not too much has changed.
I mean, you have an extra little
steering
bit in the front
wheel, brake and pedal, forward reverse switch. We don't have a windshield on this guy, which is different.
You don't go fast enough to need it.
That is also true.
Now we gotta race them.
3, 2, 1, go. You hit it early.
No, I did it. Wait.
Hill challenge. Hill challenge.
Hill challenge it is.
All right, I'll catch up. I don't know how we're gonna do this.
I can just go on the side.
Can you make it on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Go on the sidewalk. Oh yeah, there's so much room on the sidewalk. Just go that way. Wait, should I follow you on the sidewalk?
This isn't scary. It just feels like a normal day in the fucking park.
We're out in the middle of the street now. So they just made a
We should have gone the other way.
It's gonna be sick. All right, hit the UE up here.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh. I didn't think this thing was all terrain. All right, here's the hill challenge.
All right, charge it, keep going, keep going, keep going.
I mean, this is flooring it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hurting.
The wheels are still rolling.
It's like struggling.
Oh, it's, yes. All right, well, that's as much as you got.
Oh, it's smoking. So many cars.
There's a lot of cars right now.
Uh-oh. Thank you. Yeah, you're not going very fast, buddy.
Leave me.
This is the hill challenge. That guy goes faster. He's from the same year. We're gonna point and camera this. Thank you.
Dolphin dive. Oh, we're picking up speed.
There's a car coming up.